Hello guys, so today I will tell you how you can install WordPress from your cPanel using WP Toolkit. You can go to WP Toolkit from here, or you can simply go here. Once you are there, you will see some buttons like install. Click on the install button, and as you can see, this is a new domain. There is no WordPress installed right now, so this is where I have to install it. I will click install and select the domain for which website for which I am going to install it, and directory. If we want to install in a subdirectory like new site or something else, we will write directory name here, then WordPress will be installed in that directory. But I want to install on root domain, so I will change its name to by Chef Michel. Plugin and theme set, no, and username I will make it administrator, and hello. That's it. Here you can give the email whichever you want to give for WordPress installation, and once you hit the install button, your installation is ready, done. And once WordPress have been installed, as you can see here, maybe need to remove cache. To log in, just click this button and you will be automatically logged in to your WordPress. See,